Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook royal rice, achieving perfect texture and flavor. First, measure out 1 cup of Royal Basmati rice and place it into a fine mesh sieve. Rinse the rice under cool running water for at least 60 seconds until the water runs completely clear. This step removes excess starch, preventing stickiness and ensuring each grain cooks separately. Next, transfer the rinsed rice to a bowl and soak it in fresh water for 30 minutes. This helps the grains cook evenly. After soaking, drain the rice thoroughly, ensuring no excess water remains. For every 1 cup of Royal Basmati rice, you will need 1 3/4 cups of fresh water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil or ghee to a heavy-bottomed pot. These precise measurements are crucial for attaining that desirable, fluffy, distinct grain texture, which is the hallmark of perfectly cooked royal rice. Combine the drained rice, measured water, salt, and oil in your pot. Bring the mixture to a rapid boil over medium-high heat, allowing the water to fully bubble for approximately 60 seconds. Once boiling, reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for precisely 15 minutes. Avoid lifting the lid during this critical period to retain all the steam. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are complete, turn off the heat completely. Keep the pot covered and allow the rice to rest for an additional 10 minutes off the heat. This resting period is essential. It permits the steam to evenly redistribute throughout the rice grains, resulting in a light and fluffy texture. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork, separating the individual grains beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.